washed. Belts, filters washed. Coils washed. Washed. Belts, filters, combing, wash. Belts, filters, combing, integrity. Oh, this has been a pain. Belts, filters, integrity. First aid goes down 2 pounds. Had to add 2 pounds. Last time I was here, that copper piece was there. It's not on the roof anywhere. I guess someone took it. Oh man, this was a bugger. Oh. Belts, filters, wash, integrity. Same with all these. Foam coils, washed. Everything with the red screw in it, I touched. Seven units. I need to get down. New vent hoods. Yeah. I leveled that Trenton as much as I could. All right. Peace.